So we're in the cool building with this old Otis black button, and now let's go through this door. And wow, the service elevator. We might as well ride it. Look at that. Ooh, creepy. Up to pH. Doesn't seem like there is a or a floor indicator. Capacity's 2,000 pounds, just like the passenger car. Here's your certificate. Fire service controls, just like the other, have been added on. And here's your panel. And then this one goes a floor higher. PH is like the roof deck and storage floor. And they took the fan out. Probably it doesn't do much good when it's hot as hell like today. Ooh, look at that What the heck? What the fuck is going on? Hey. Why is it so off level? Oh my god. Look. Look at that. Yeesh. Hopefully it goes. Otis. Emergency light. Old-fashioned. Assuming we're pretty close to the ground floor. Anyway, there's the old trash chute. We're gonna watch it close up. Damn, look at that old trash chute. That's wild. And